This girl tries to break the gadget with her nail using a pin, but the pin doesn't lift with her nail. Then the boy gives her a pair of scissors, and she starts cutting her nail with it. A piece of her nail falls on the boy's gadget, and the gadget becomes clean. The boy gets very happy. Son, if on one side there's your mother, and on the other side there's money, who will you choose? Those who choose their mother, like me, like this video right now. Subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I love you, Mom." After liking and subscribing, if you click on Remix and type "use this sound," then a magic will happen. Then a piece of the nail falls on the girl's gadget and her gadget breaks. Wow.